Hi, in this session we are going to discuss about nudge offset. Okay, so how to change the value of nudge offset or how to create nudge offset for our object. So this is our toolbox and let me draw some shape. So first let me just zoom the page. The page is zoomed. Now let me take some object, click this, click the tool, right? So this is my tool. So I just have created some object. So this is my object, this is one object and this is the other object, right? So let me have like this and just select and just say shift, and you can just, if you want, you can group it so that this two objects are now in one. Okay, now just let me increase the size, the width of my object, right? Now let me do some filling effects for my object. Just select your object and just click here, fill color, go to fountain and you can select either linear or radial or conical or square. So however you want, you just can select your filling. Select linear and you can go for custom and you can just give some multiple color fillings. So let me give some shading for my object. Right, just apply. So now if you observe, this is my object, right? And for my object I am going to apply nudge offset, right? So if you just come out of the page and just observe this property box of my page, right? So if you observe the property box of my page, and here you can find this symbol which is a nudge distance, right? Nudge object distance. So here it is 0.01. So let this be 0.01, right? Now let me use my keyboard keys up, down and left and right. Okay, so this is actually 0.01. So select your object and just use your up key and down key, right, left and right key of your keyboard. You can observe how slowly it is moving. See, it's very slowly it is moving. So I could able to move, but it is very slow. So if suppose my page width, my current page is very width and height are very big, and if I want to move my object from the starting position to the ending position, which is very tedious. See, you can observe very slowly the object is moving, right? So what I am doing is I am just trying to change this by just increasing my nudge distance. So here just say 0.05 and enter. Now you select your object. See, use your keyboard keys. You can observe the change. So how fastly it is now moving, right? So up, down, left and right. So it is moving very fast comparing to the previous. So if you want, you can even just zoom your face, and this is your object. You can just decrease your object size, right? This is your object. tool, select it and just decrease your object, right? Now this is my object now, and I want to move it from this position to the starting position. Okay, so now if you choose this nudge distance a very high and select the object, see, now use the arrows, it is moving very fast, up, down and left and right. So this is about nudge offset. So just select your object and go to the properties, and here you have a nudge distance option in the property box of the page. Okay, so this is the property box of the page, not the object. Okay, click the page property box. Here you can find nudge offset, nudge distance. You can just increase the points and you can just keep moving your objects very fastly. So this is about nudge offset.